Maybe talk us through your products, what you do, where you're based. My name's Francis, sir.
Robin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Which company do you work for, sir?
I'm the sales manager for FAAC UK Ltd.
Okay, and what do you specialise in?
We specialise in lots of things.
Okay.
Predominantly here today at Naidex, we're promoting our automatic door stuff to help people with disabilities.
Yes.
We're promoting our DDA toilet door kit just over there, which helps people in commercial and school environments, universities, etc., to access shower rooms. But on the whole, we're promoting our swing operators for external doors, in domestic homes, in social care environments, and the independent living elements. We don't install, but we supply only.
Yeah. So you don't install?
No.
Supply only for...
But we can recommend lots of installers nationally who all use our product for installation. Yeah, absolutely. This is predominantly for doors. So we have our 950N2 operator, that's for external doors and fire door applications. We've got our lovely little A951 operator, that's for standard internal doors. But we do a plethora of activation, whether that be pads, fobs for people in chairs so they can activate the door and it opens for them, and all the safety requirements according to EN 16005. My job is to support not just companies who want to install, but it's the end user. So I give them advice. If they need to phone me or talk to me about, oh, I want to automate my front door, what can you tell me about this? And that's what I'm here for.
Where are you based before you go?
The head office is based in Basingstoke, but the company has regions set out. So there's regional sales managers, obviously Scotland, the North, East and West, Central Midlands, Wales and Devon area, and also down in Kent in the area.
Do you have any social media?
We have a Facebook page at the moment. We're a lot on LinkedIn as well at the moment. But like I said, predominantly our products today is automated doors, but we also do, we're a big company. We do gates and barriers, pedestrian doors, all sorts of stuff to help all the environments basically. Okay?
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. So nice to meet you. Have a good day.
And you.
All right? Take care.